I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Each episode, I tackle a different term or trick to teach and guide you through the journey of a real estate transaction. Go ahead and subscribe and ring the notifications bell. There's a new episode every week. This is episode 82, and it's actually part 4 in a 6-part series. As your real estate agent, my responsibilities to you could be wrapped up in a simple term: OLDCAR. Each letter represents a different obligation. See episode 63 for a general overview. Today we're talking about confidentiality. I like to explain this to my clients as similar to patient and doctor confidentiality. If I have information that the other side would find helpful, it's my job not to give them that information as leverage. Examples may include why you, the client, were trying to sell your property or the amount that you would accept for the property. As an agent, it's critical that I protect as much information for my clients to ensure they get the best deal possible. If you like these videos, there's more of them along with a ton of other great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. You can also check me out on Facebook, YouTube, and other popular social media sites. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.